operations tab houses all your units. So there's different filtering up top to find out which units you want to select. So I'm going to pick everything, and then I'm going to go ahead and select just specifically these 12 by 20 units. Hit apply, and it's going to populate those units. Most of the functionality within the operations menu is going to be held in this button over here on the right. So it's a grayed out menu button for now until there's units that have been selected. So I can select all my 12 by 20s all at once, and then it gives you different options underneath that menu button. So we can update the standard price of those. So if I was raising my standard price from 100 to 120, any new rentals are going to be for that $120 amount. Now, if I were to select update unit price for occupied leases, it's going to raise the rates on the tenants that are in those units immediately, and it'll raise it up to the standard price. You can assign fees and services. So as long as they were set up in the settings, you can assign them to specific units. Specific discounts you can assign to units, and then the amenities that were in the settings as well. You can do it one by one. You can do it in bulk based off which units you have selected. The description, the image, and the online status are all correlated with your website. So the description will show up on your website in the Rent Now portal. The image, whatever image that you upload, will show up directly online automatically through your operations menu. And then the online status is whether those units are eligible to be displayed online for rentals. If you take deposits, there will be a deposits button that shows up here, so you can assign deposits, like a dollar figure to the units that you have selected, and then also reservation fees as well.